Greetings, it's Reed from Kata Explained Martial Arts Academy. In this video we're going to be going over a tutorial on Pinan Sandan. This is a fun little form. It has some unique elements to it that you won't see in other forms. Well, you'll see them, but not necessarily in this way. I will break down the unique aspects of it, and then I will go through the form slowly at a couple different angles so you can see how it's done. All right, we'll see you on the other side. All right, so the opening part of Pinan Sandan, you start off in this position, and you're going to turn to your left. And as you turn to your left, you're going to chamber your right, and you're going to do an outside chest block like this. Okay? From here, you're going to bring your feet together, and then you're going to do a double block. Okay, so you can go here, then you go 1, 2. All right, let me do it from this angle. So if I go from here, go towards the camera, I'm going to turn here, bring my feet in, and go 1, 2. I'm going to do that both directions. Okay, so if I'm here, we're going to go 1. Oop, turn around and go here and go 2. Okay? So hopefully that's self-explanatory. Off of this version, 1, 2. Now you're going to step to your left and do a front stance into a reinforced block like this. Okay? And then you're going to wipe down like you do it in Pinan Sandan, and then step across into a spear hand like this. So you're going to be 1, 2. Now, the difference between this and Pinan Sandan, you turn around and go to either a calf stance or a front stance depending on your style or preference. And in this one, you're going to wipe down. And as you wipe down, you're going to step around. This hand's going to come to the small of your back, and then you're going to turn around into a low block. Okay? I'll get a better angle on that in the next section. Now, some styles will have you go into here and do a horse stance and do a back fist. Application, pretty much the same. So it just depends on your preference. Okay? So, after the turn and then the low block to here, you're going to do 3 punches. So you're going to step and you go 1, 2, 3. And then from here you're going to turn around and draw your feet together. And your arms are going to do this, like this, right? So you go here, you're going to turn and do this. Okay? Let me change this over a little bit. So I'm going to go from this angle here, all right? So you're here, and then you're going to turn around 180 degrees and do this. Now, the next part of the motion, so let me back up a little bit, you're going to step into a horse stance and turn this way, and you're going to go 1, 2, and then you do a back fist. And then you're going to turn 1, 2, back fist. You do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. After the third version, I'm going to do it this direction, you're going to chamber like this, then you're going to step and punch. Okay? So we're going to go third version here, you're going to go here, 1, 2, step and punch. Okay? From here, you're going to draw in your back leg, you're going to go 1, you're going to turn around, and you're going to do a hook like this, and then you're going to do a hook like this, and then you're done. Okay, so let me do that from a different angle so you can get it, and then I'll do the whole form a couple different ways so hopefully you get the whole thing. All right, so if I do it from this direction here, we just did the, let's see, we're going to go here, 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 step, then you're going to bring this foot in, hook, hook, and down. Right? And this one, we're going to go from here, punch, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try the form out. I'm going to back this up a little bit. Out. 1, 2, 3. 3. Here. Punch. Here. Here. I hope that was useful. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, train hard.